Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? Have you ever been frustrated with Amazon Seller Central because it's not working right and you need to actually speak to someone and you need to speak to them now? You're not trying to go jump through a million hoops. You're frustrated. You need to get this right so that you can make your money or get your items listed or whatever your issue is. You need to speak to a human and you need them now. That's the situation that I had. And so I want to share with you a quick way to get right through to customer service to a real person. And I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised. If you follow this channel, you know I'm not always satisfied with the level of customer service with the entire system. I love selling on Amazon. I love the platform. I don't like how I feel like I'm being treated a lot of times. I don't like how a lot of times you just feel like you're out there alone. Sometimes I even feel as though it's a conspiracy. They're out to get me. But you know, on this channel, I love to be transparent. That means that when things are going good, I want to share that. When things are going not so good, I also want to share that. When things are going wrong, I'm quick to talk to you about it. But I want to be equally as quick to talk about things that go right. So hopefully this is going to help you out. Stay tuned. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. Okay, hustlers. What to Sell on Amazon here. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine. Please, if you get anything worthwhile out of this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't always. That helps the channel out. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory of what was going on. So yesterday, I had some inventory that was coming in to me. I do some wholesale, not a whole lot, but I do some wholesale. And what I like to do is when I have inventory coming in, if I know it's coming to me, let's go ahead and start pre-selling. Get those quantities. Now we're talking merchant fulfilled. We're not talking FBA. I do a considerable amount of merchant fulfilled. I like the control. I pay a little bit less in fees. I don't have to worry about my inventory being suppressed, stranded, and all this other stuff that they can do with it. So I go out there to go ahead and adjust the quantities right in Seller Central. Doesn't matter if I would have used Inventory Lab, that's software that I use. Either way, I would have run into the same issue because the problem is when I went to change the quantities, the system would accept it and it would give you the typical message that it gives. Oh, your submission has been taken. It can take up to 15 minutes, whatever. And then nothing ever happened. Okay. Over and over. I tried doing it. It would not change my quantities. That's a problem because I'm not being able to offer the product for sale. I'm getting a delivery. That's inventory. I deal with a lot of, grocery and gourmet. You're talking about products with expiration dates. Time is of the essence. So I figured that must be something with the system. I'll give it a chance to work. Now I went on to work that day. You guys know I work a regular job. I'm a tractor and trailer operator. I'm going down the road, and when I get a chance, I'm using my seller app in my phone to try and adjust the quantities. It's still not taken. So now we get to today. The delivery has been made. Now I'm sitting on the inventory, plenty of it, and I'm not able to list the product. That's a problem. I tried everything, guys. I was trying it in the app. I was trying it on my computer through Seller Central, nothing. And I'm like, oh man, here we go. Now it's time to try and contact somebody because I've tried everything, even relisting the item. I didn't care if I had duplicate listings, nothing. In fact, the system would not allow me to add new products. It would not allow me to adjust the inventory quantities across my entire, inventory, merchant fulfilled. So of course now I'm freaking out. It's a conspiracy. They're out to get me. They're pushing me out. And if you follow my channel, I'm not lately. I haven't been all that happy with the way, things are going on Amazon. Okay. But again, that's part of my transparency. I don't need to come out in front of you every time everything is good. What I need to do is come out both with my good experiences as well as my bad. That way you get what you deserve, which is a realistic expectation of what you can expect, and you can learn and be inspired by everything that's going on with my Amazon account, not just the good. So let me show you what I've discovered is a quick way to get right through to customer service. So just follow me here as I show you my screen. Okay, hustlers. So as we come over into my account, you can see, not to get too much into this, but just so you can see where I've been lately. If you look at my 30 days, I've done $12,010.04. That's down, guys. That is down considerably, I meant to say, but just to kind of show you where I'm at with that, so you know what you're dealing with here as far as I'm concerned. Now, here's what you do. Come over up in the upper right hand corner. You're going to click on help. And then from there, what you're going to do is come down to get support. And when you get to get support, you should see a screen that looks like this. You're going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to your account. You're going to open that up. And again, come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other account issues. And here's what's going to happen. They're going to ask you to describe your issue. If you do that, then they're going to try and direct you, and the system's going to try and figure out something for you. Okay. You kind of don't want that. Let me give you an example. So if I type in cannot adjust inventory and I go continue, then they're going to try and figure out something. That's not what we want. So just type in the word help, continue there. And then from there, now this is what you want. Connect with an associate. Go ahead and put your number in there. I would say this issue is urgent. Okay. Let me see. I'm just going to throw a number in there just to get that to go. And then I would say, call me now. I wouldn't schedule a call because you got issues you want taken care of right then and there. Okay, guys. So pretty much from there, I was able to get connected with somebody, and it did not take long. There was no press 1 for this, 2 for that. Somebody jumped on the phone. I was able to understand him. That's a big thing, right? So just for the record, in the end, I got through to a real person. It was quick, and they actually resolved my issue within about 10 or 15 minutes. The system was acting correctly, and it was letting me list and do everything I needed. And I thought it was important to share that with you because I'm quick to tell you when I feel like Amazon is screwing me over. But I need to be equally as quick to point out and, let you know when Amazon is doing things right. It's not always a conspiracy. It's not always that they've singled me out. I know, guys, I can be a little dramatic sometimes. So that's the reason why I wanted to share this. So yeah, and that went well. So let me know if you're having problems from there. If we can hop on a call, there's no problem. You can get connected with me. There's a number in the description, or you can just text the words working class hustler to the number down in the description. If we need to help you a little bit further, that's no problem. We do have a series. If you notice the last video we published before this, it shows more about going into my day-to-day life as an entrepreneur, not just specific to Amazon. If you like that, it's a 6-part series. We're on to part 2 of that. And we're not publishing those to this channel anymore. So if you want to continue watching those, if you just want to support me, come over to the Working Class Hustler channel. That's a new channel we just launched. Link will be down in the description, and you can continue to see what's going on from a day-to-day standpoint, this channel deals more with how to, but if you want to really get into the life of an entrepreneur, it could be beneficial to you, because a lot of times I think we're not doing what we know we need to do because we're just not around someone that's doing it and getting encouragement that way. So if you think you can benefit from that, or if you just want to support the channel, come over there, and I will see you guys in the next video.